Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my tutorial as I show you how I play the most famous song ever that you can play on one guitar string. And I said one string. That's right. The Peter Gunn theme from the 60s detective TV show Peter Gunn. The original recording is by Henry Mancini in the key of F. The one I am playing is from the Blues Brothers movie in the key of E. I'll show you how I play it in E first, and then we'll use a capo to transpose it to the original key. With that said, let's roll the tape. We're going to play this song within the first 5 frets of the guitar, on the E string or the low E string only. We'll pick it this way throughout. This is how we're going to pick it. We're going to start with the open string, open, open, 2, open. We'll go to 3 and slide from 3 to 4, open E, fret 5 to fret 4. So here it is. And if we pick up the tempo, it sounds like this. Now we can play that throughout until we get to the very end. When we get to the end, we're going to play this. For that part, we're going to go to an F note here at fret 1 on the low E string and play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then open, and that's our ending. Now if we want to move the key to F so that we can play along with Henry Mancini's version, all we have to do is place a capo at fret 1, like so, and then we'll play it the same way. Now we're playing Henry Mancini's version. Well, all right, my friends, that's how I play the Peter Gunn theme from the 60s detective TV show on guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.